Hey friends, time for an unboxing. I've got some great clothes here from Styles by Design, Nadine's Closet, that I pair up with Sedalia Designs, my company. Just want to throw this out there. If you are an influencer and you want some beautiful free jewelry to promote, contact me. Because girl gotta have jewelry, right? So the top that I have on is from Nadine, and the earrings that I have on are from Sedalia Designs. They're cute little ceramic, floral, cute. So this box is jam-packed, and it's always a surprise. I have no idea what my girlfriend's gonna send me, but you know I got some animal print stuff here, and I'm all about that. So, let's see. Okay. Let's see. A girl cannot have too many animal print tanks. And I love the ones, these T-backs, that I can wear a sports bra with, because I even have a sports bra on under this top I have on. I am addicted to sports bras because who wants those freaking underwear this big under their breasticles? Not this girl. So cute, OMG. Pockets. We got pocket sisters. I don't know about you, but I keep nuts in my pocket because girl got a snack. So, here we go. And one of my favorite colors. If you know anything about me, I don't have a favorite color. I'm a very moody color person. It's a day-to-day thing, and today I'm calling this one of my favorites. I am kind of partial to blues and tealy blues, but here we go, a new workout tank, or just because it's been hotter than Hades in Cheyenne, tank, for whatever reason, tank. So here we have, cute, love the cut of this. Look at, because girl gotta be liply. Girl gotta have her lips done, right? How am I doing? Wait. Am I mimicking this well enough? So this is super fun, and I can see this even as a beach cover up because it's nice and long, over some leggings, over some black jeggings, and just when I'm feeling sassy, most of the time, this be me. And what do we got? Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. I love my colorful animal print, and it always makes me think of the Flintstones. So, who do you think would wear this best, Wilma or Betty? I don't know, girls, but I'm gonna be wearing it because I'm loving it. It's fun. What else did Nadine send me? My gosh, this woman just spoils me. Oh, fun till her daddy took her T-bird away. Love. How strapalicious on one side, because I can't decide if I want to wear cold shoulder or not. So why decide? Let the top decide for you. So you know I'll be matching this all with jewelry and modeling it. And here we have, this is just a fun, you go hide in there. You for the hanger, you not for me. This is just a fun summertime. Girl needs this right now in this heat, because I've been all about like nothing on me, as close as possible to nothing on me. And here we have more color. Oh, I just love color. This is like color threw up, don't you think? But in a good way, right? Yeah, love. I can see wearing this all over like any color leggings, because you can probably pull like any color from it. Jeans, cute swimsuit cover up. Lots of ideas with that. And what else, what else? Let's see. OMG. So Nadine also has these awesome, I believe they're hot and cold cups, travel cup. Tell me this does just not match with my whole new world. This me, right? And then she sent me copies of her magazine. This is pretty awesome. She ran an ad for me on the back of her health magazine. And these are really cool. They've got recipes in them and very cool. This is, so she's also a realtor. She's like, you know how I'm kind of a jack of all trades? So is she. So that's why her and I are just like this. Okay, so watch for me to model these clothes with fun jewelry from Sedalia Designs. See the description, where to get all this fun stuff. Tops start at 12, go up to 20, and she has sale days where she sells things for $5 flipping. And she will take really good care of you. So, see me next time.